two wires of same length, they are made to form a circle and a square, and they carry same current, then the ratio of magnetic moment of circle to that of square is. See here we are having two wires of same length, and with the help of these wires a circle and a square is formed. Let circle is of radius r1 and it carries current I, and let m1 is magnetic moment of circle. With the help of another wire a square is formed. Let x is the length of each side of square. It also carries same current I, and let its magnetic moment is m2. So here we have to find out the ratio of magnetic moment of circle m1 to that of magnetic moment of square m2. So m1 upon m2 equal to question mark. Now we know magnetic moment of a coil, it is equal to current flowing through that coil multiplied by its area. Because here circle and square they carry current, therefore their magnetic moment is directly proportional to area. What is the area of circle? Area of circle is equal to, what is the area of circle? Because this circle is of radius r, so its area is pi r square. We know L is the length of wire, and this length of wire is equal to circumference of circle, or this radius is equal to L divided by 2 pi. So area of circle A1 is equal to pi into r square. R square means it is L divided by 2 pi whole square. So area of circle is equal to pi into L square divided by 4 pi square. Pi into L square divided by 4 pi square. Now look at the area of square. We know what is the area of square. Area of square is equal to side square, but what is the length of side? It is x square. Now length of wire is equal to 4x, because with the help of wire of length L we had constructed a square. So L is equal to 4x, or x is equal to L divided by 4. Therefore area of square A2 is equal to L divided by 4 whole square. So area of square A2 is equal to L square divided by 16. This is equation number 2. Now the ratio of magnetic moment of circle to that of magnetic moment of square m1 upon m2. Because m is directly proportional to area, because they carry, or you can write m1 is equal to I A1, m2 is equal to I A2. Both circle and square they carry the same current, so that is equal to, what is the area of circle? Area of circle is pi L square divided by 4 pi upon, means area of square it is L square divided by 16, that 16 comes in what? Numerator. So this L square get cancelled with L square, this pi get cancelled with pi, 4 1 the 4 4 the. So m1 upon m2 is equal to, m1 upon m2 is equal to, see here 4 pi L square divided by what? A1 is pi L square divided by 4 pi square. So pi will be left, so 4 upon pi, it is 4 divided by pi. So as A1 is pi L square upon 4 pi square, pi L square upon 4 pi square, and A2 is what? L square upon 16. So this pi get cancelled with pi, and we are left with 4 upon pi. So the ratio of magnetic moment of circle to that of square, it is 4:2 pi. So out of 4 option, look at option number B. Option number B. What is that option number B? 4:2 pi. So B is the correct option for this question.